Welcome back, my wonderful people. It's still there for Balabas gist. I'm here. The story we will carry on today. Now be our brother. Whether they call can I or nice sacrifice. The man don't provoke. Come aside. Come say if you not talk this thing, in mind if you not forgive him. Now you don't come tell us say the whole road where they for inside Southeast they militarize. No be today we don't dey shout am say the way military take over Southeast everywhere, every road, checkpoint from here to here, you find checkpoint, and those checkpoints are not just there to control, to see, to search, but they're just there to extort money. When they see a young boy, they are looking for a way to extort money from that young boy. My people, you don't read though. And now I'm going to play you the video, but before we do so, please quickly go and follow our new page called Balabas Gist Vlog on YouTube and also on Facebook. Follow that page, especially on Facebook. Follow that page so that we'll be getting our update back to back as they hot. Now we'll get a lot of story where we want show now today for here. Then our only way you go do now to stay and watch the video from beginning to end so that you no go miss any part of this video. This they happen this video I want show you go enjoy and die. Just stay tuned. Let us bring this video up from our nice sacrifice waiting talk concerning the things where they happen for inside Southeast before we go come back jump for another one.
Good morning, everyone. I left Felele Olorishogo area of Ibadan this morning at 7:15, and this is exactly 8:15, and I am in Lagos. And I found out one thing. Over a distance of 80 kilometers, I didn't see one checkpoint, one police checkpoint. I did not see. I did not see an army checkpoint. Have you ever applied the Onitsha-Enugu Express Road? Did you ever count the number of police checkpoints or military checkpoints on Enugu-Onitsha Road? I'm still on the road. This is Lagos. Have you ever counted? Why is the Southeast so militarized, so policed, that you cannot go for more than 200 meters without a police checkpoint? I need to ask this question because the delay in journeys and the humiliation people go through needs to be pointed out. I'm saying a distance, same distance from Enugu to Onitsha. Have you passed through Amobi and so on? The boundary between Enugu and Anambra, the number of police checkpoints, collection points, the military. So they humiliate our people so badly that most times everybody in the vehicle is asked to come down and hands up. Tell me now, and I'll believe it. Is this hatred? Is this dislike? This is not good. Let us understand, is the Southeast still part of Nigeria? And what are the leaders who can speak and make representations on behalf of Ndibo in Abuja and thereabout? Have you seen the state of roads, federal roads? This Lagos Ibadan Express Road is a federal road. So also is Enugu Onitsha Road. Port Harcourt, Owerri Road. Have you seen the state? There's no single pothole from Felele in your state to Lagos. No single pothole. Have you applied the roads I've just mentioned between Enugu, Onitsha, and so on? Leaving the head bridge and so on. These are federal roads. Clarify me. What have we done? This is bad news. I am calling on leaders to make representations. The delay on these roads is not good for business. It's not good for our place. And the level of policing, please, I beg you, demilitarize the Southeast. The police, these places have called. The humiliation, the extortion is getting out of hand. Yagazie. God bless you.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. This now wetin we dey talk about. He said the way the military take militarize Southeast Nigerian government is alarming, and the people are not free in their own land. Let me show you something here. This video is a long video. Is long time video that has been here for years now, and this video is one of the commanders, those who buy people for inside Asaba. You all hear this story, that when they say that war is over, there is some Asaba, just like some people now saying, we are not Igbos. Some group of people in Asaba just want to disassociate themselves, and they say, they're going with their, with their cheerful mind to welcome the Nigerian military, and along the right they buy thousands of people for inside that place. For Owerri, the same thing happened when they bomb school and buy so many places and buy so many people in Teja. So many places where this commander buy people. And look at, they ask him simple question: will he apologize for what he have done? He say he never apologizes. He's doing the work that the masters send them to do in Biafra land. I want everybody who is watching this video to do something for us. History never forget, and we will never forget. Please, if this man is still alive, let us know if this man is still alive. And if you know any of his social media handles, let us know. But if this man is dead, still let us know. We want to know. So let us play the video before we come back and proceed.
That you did in the army that you want to apologize now?
None that I know of.
None that you know of?
Yes.
As commander of the battalion that massacred people at Item, Owerri, Oboisohe and Asaba, now would he, that commander, apologize?
My division, which I commanded, was not a battalion. There were battalions and brigades. If they engage in massacre, in accordance to what you say, I would have court-martialed them.
If you did not, and people are now saying, for what you have done, murder of people in open day at Item, murder of people 9:15 a.m. in a market, 700 dead. Murder of defenseless people who have come to welcome the Nigerian troops, 500 at Asaba. Would you expect that person now, like Gawan, to say, I am sorry?
I, as a combatant commander of the troops,
as a witness in this box,
testifying for and on behalf of the soldiers who fought the Civil War, they fought it in the principle of preserving the Nigerian Federation. I have no apologies for maintaining the Federation of Nigeria. That was my task. If my commander-in-chief, who was in command, gave me command, which I carried out with troops, if he now fails to apologize, and he has apologized, it is in his own wisdom to do so. But insofar as I commanded troops and obeyed orders within the competence of my profession, I have no apologies.
My wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, please do not hesitate to let us know more details about this man. But we are doing research about this particular man. We want to know, we want to also ask him this question: why do you think he can buy so many people and he don't have a remorse of what he did? We don't want to know where he's come from, whether it's from Anambra, or it's from Igbo, it's from Benin, it's from Yoruba, anywhere he come from. We want to know the details of this man and the present condition today in the Nigerian society. Okay, now I have one video to also show this man. This is the people of Sokoto. They have decided to leave, abandon their inhabitants where God placed them to be, and they are running away from it because of the insecurity that is going on in this particular region in Sokoto. Okay, now let me show you this video for you to watch. You see that this thing they fight for is in vain. The Nigeria you fight to keep together is a death trap to everyone today. Now, so people they buy every blessed day in different part of this country. So watch the video before we come back and show you the arrogance of the person they called Minister of FCT, which is just here weekend. Watch this video.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Bawan Allah da alamu na ga kamar tafiya za ku yi ko menene sanadiyan wannan tafiya da kuke so za ku yi?
To sanadiya wannan dai mun zaman to cewa wannan mutane da kura sun hana mu zama lafiya. Barayi sun hana mu zama lafiya. Abincin mu ganan sun hana mu kuwa. Sannan mu kuma suna biyan mu gida suna kalbiya suna dauke mana mata. Da aka dole mu musu gari tunda mu ba mu da wanda a jagore mu wanda za su taimaka mana.
Gaskiya. To yanzu kun kai kamar tsawon kwana nawa ana yi muku irin wannan abu?
A takaice dai a dai shigo a ce an kashe ko kuma an ɗauka muna tunanin an kai kusan shekara 8 ana yi amma yanzu zai fi kamaru. Saboda ne, mu yanzu haka ga munan kadibe a raga sunan kanana suna tafiya kada mata suna tafiya kada ai ya kamata ma a tausaya mana a ce ko rayuwa.
Gaskiya.
Amma mun so manyan mu suke ba da umarni a yi mana wani wulaƙanci.
To na ji kamar labarin cewa kwanan nan an shiga wannan gari na Dukuma kuma na ji kamar abin ya dan ɓaci haka sosai.
Lalle shekarar da an shiga an ɗabi mata kuma an kashe sannan macen da a hannunsu akwai mace 18 har gami da goye yake su. Kuma akwai ma wadda ko suna sati guda ɗaya aka yi ta tafi an tafi da ita. Ya za mu yi? Kaga babu madadar da za mu yi ile mu neman mafita ga Ubangiji. Manyan nan sun suna tausayin mu tausaya mana sun kuma haka suke so sai mu ban musu kasar sai su kare.
To yanzu akalla tafiyan da kake yi na zuwa go an kom nawa kake kashewa a duk kullun?
To mutum na zaman tociya kullum abinci ne da ɗiba ya kai tallaba maka inda Allah ya kaddara mu tsahe mu tsaya.
Shikenan. Wani kira to yanzu za ku iya yi ga gwamnati domin ta ji tausayi ta
kira ku dane za mu yi gwamnati. Idan tana neman taimaka mana don Allah ta kawo mana dauki.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. This is the fruit of their labor. Many people they buy for Southeast. This is their fruit of the labor. This is where we end up in Nigeria today. And let me show you the present leaders of Nigerian government. Just watch this video.
It's not for lawlessness. If you don't know what to do, then we'll teach you what you can do. Thank you.
What can we do, sir? What can we do, sir?
Sir, we are not land grabbers. We are developers. Developers? What about developers? We have
papers, sir.
We have submitted this paper to the authority. Verifiable. Hold on. Yes, sir. You submitted what you had your CFO. Approval is there, sir. Yes. You have your CFO.
This is area council.
Hold on. Who told you? That's why you make. Hey, keep quiet. If you are an illiterate, you're an illiterate. Every land in FCT belongs to FCT.
We know.
And that was why
now
when I sold land, the staff don't do anything. The Supreme Court said you don't have power. And all they did was to apply for us to please grant them that which I give your CFO. You don't sit here to talk about.
So, do we go back to the area council? Do we go back to the area council and
Yes.
we're in court, sir.
But here, we'll take our land. Not if you like, go and carry across, and the worst one is go and carry across. Who told you we allowed that?
We did not harass you, sir. It's a lie, yo. We did not harass them, oh. It's a lie, yo. It is a lie, sir.
Yes. You know I won't listen to you. You have taken the laws into your hand.
No,
We never did,
sir. We never did, sir.
It's a wrong information,
It's a wrong
sir.
information. It's a wrong information.
Lisa, we don't even know the reason why.
Sir, it's okay, sorry.
Who told you can talk? If you think that you take something, you are not the only one. You have to be careful. Stupid. Because I came there to talk to you. I don't need to talk to you.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry, sir.
If you don't know what to do, don't bring their guns.
No, sir.
No, sir. No have gun.
We have no guns.
No gun, sir.
Even tear gas, you can't see it with us.
Okay, you that is watching this video, just ask yourself question. Why did we go to war? Why did the Nigerian government decided to invade the Biafra land? After all this is where we find ourselves today. The country is not working. It's working for those who have connection to steal their own money, to feed their own pocket. That is who the country is working for. For the average Nigeria, the country is not working. Everybody is struggling to earn a living today in Nigeria. So tell me, is it necessary of buying more than 6 million Igbos? Is it necessary? So for those who are preparing to protect Nigeria to go to war again with the Igbos, you see the way Palestinians is the way your people will be in the nearest future. Mark my word. Share this video.